We're ready to go hiking.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day today. I hope it won't rain. It's a little bit cloudy, guys. And it's still a little bit chilly this morning. But guess what? Once we go up in there, we're gonna start getting sweat and it's gonna be hot. Old Summit. Chocolate. Alright guys, we are, I think we're right in the middle, almost. And we're getting close up on the hill. And we're having fun. It's so quiet in here, guys. They still have a snow over there, guys. It's the end of summer, but in a couple months in here, guys, it's gonna start snowing again. So they're gonna close this area around October because of the snow. All right, guys, I'm trying to go up here up on the hill, and there is a lake right here. We're getting close. Gotta really be careful going up in here because it's a loose gravel and it's a very dangerous. You can slide here really easy. All right, we're getting close, guys. You have to take your time when you go up here because it's really steep and it's a loose gravel. All right, we're here. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. It's a turquoise color, and they still have more snow in there. If we are lucky, we're able to see a wild goat. You coming, August? It's beautiful up here. Beautiful. Oh, yun ang goat to? Huh? Yeah. Hey, we have a wild goat here. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. So we have 2 wild goats in there, guys. Wow. So there's a wild goat over there, guys. There's 2 wild goat over there. And this is where they live. They live here in this rocky mountain. And during winter, this place is packed of snow. I mean, you can never even come here because it's just no way. But you have to really be careful because this is a very steep hill and you'll go straight down there. It's definitely ice water, and that's really cold. Right, there's Anne and Shelby. They're still trying to come up here. They're taking their time. And August went up there somewhere. Alright guys, we are going down. We're going to the meadow so we can have our short snack. We brought a filtered equipment so we can filter the water. It's beautiful out here, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. It's very peaceful, very quiet. As you can see earlier, we went up to the lake and it's beautiful up there. There's 2 wild goat. Lunchtime, guys.
Yes.
Look.
Lagyan natin ng flowers.
Okay, we're having a short snack here, guys. Short, healthy lunch. Yes.
Ayan. Ayan, mapikita.
Right. Beautiful view we have in here. There's August up on the rock. Shelby. And Anne.
Oh, it's nice.
Alright guys, we are heading back. About 1 o'clock. We're stopping here at the stream, right, guys, in a creek, just to dip in our feet. It's a cold, really, really cold water. Woohoo! Water is really cold. Like a freezing water, guys. It's ice water. We're crazy, guys.
Ganda yun.
Masarap yung pinapinito yun.
Ito sa akin yan. Sandali. Mapupuno na ito eh.
Tubig.
Yes. Fresh. Very, very cold. From spring.
Yeah, we're pumping water here, guys. It's a filtered water. So if you run out of water, guys, we have a equipment that you can filter your water.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yung ba yan?
And it's a good water, it's fresh, and it's cold. Thank you, August. All right, we're back to the trail. This is a Jack Lake. It's one of the lake here in this area, guys. We are heading back, and every time you come here or going back, you're gonna definitely pass this lake. It's called Jack Lake. Okay. We are back home, and we had so much fun on hiking, and it was a great time, guys. If you like the show, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.